Okay, today I'm going to go through how to install an ignition coil on a FS481V engine. First, we need to remove the air filter cover, loosen the clamp for the air filter, remove it and set it out of the way. Next, with a 10mm wrench or socket, remove or loosen the screws retaining the engine cover. These do not have to be completely removed, only loosened up. Once the cover screws are loose, you can remove the cover and you can see the exposed ignition coils. To set the air gap on ignition coil, let's first remove these screws. Okay, our ignition coil is removed and out of the way. To replace the ignition coil, we just reverse the sequence. To replace the ignition coil, you want to make sure that the flywheel magnet is lined up on the ignition coil, in between the ignition coil stud post. Now the ignition coil air gap needs to be 8 to 16 thousandths. Most business cards will fall between that 8 to 16 thousandths. As long as there's not an embossed card, it will work great. You'll notice that it has magnet effect. It will pull, the coil will pull to the flywheel. Take a standard business card, just simply tear a business card in half, place the card in between the coil and the magnet, let the magnet do its job. You replace the screws. Make sure that the ignition coil magnet is centered up. Then simply just replace the screws. It's a good idea to hold light pressure against the back of the coil and just snug the 10mm screws. Once you have the coil tightened back up, simply rotate the engine, remove your spacer, and you have the proper air gap on ignition coil.